Today we're doing a lemon experiment. We will need a bowl or a tray, a lemon, some baking soda, and some food coloring.
You're going to start off by cutting both sides of your lemon. So next you're going to want to smash all of the pulp inside. It probably would have been easier if I would have rolled or gently squeezed this lemon before cutting the edges off to soften it up, but this is how we did it the first time. I found it easier to just squeeze the lemon juice out into the bowl and then pour it back inside, but the second time I got it without spilling the lemon juice. Do what works for you. Next, you want to add a few drops of red food coloring into your lemon. And the last step is to add some baking soda. We used a butter knife to push the baking soda down into the lemon for a better reaction. We decided to do this experiment again with another color, just for fun. This experiment could work with other acidic fruits, so we decided to try it with a cutie. Do you think that this is going to work? I guess the cutie wasn't acidic enough to react with the baking soda, so it didn't work this time. What fruits can you try at home? And that's it for today's science experiment. Thanks for watching.